Case number 3 is an LOPC avoidance. LOPC stands for loss of primary containment, or in a layman term we call it leaks, gas leaks. So Dulang platform having a very high CO2 content on its hydrocarbon, and when you have this CO2 content, the things that we need to take care of is the amount of water inside the gas, which is the moisture in it, because the high moisture would cause a CO2 corrosions, and CO2 corrosions internally would somehow it will get that particular pipe to be leaked, right, and cause safety issues. So the Dulang have already required to have this moisture to be kept at below 200 ppmv. So one of this particular case, they found out that the moisture reading is about 243, and it is keep on increasing at a particular time. So in conventional way, in orthodox way, we would form a team at offshore and look at whatever the dehydration system that we have at offshore and look at what is the problem, and gonna takes about weeks until we fix that particular problem. But with this, with the help of big data AIs, we run this particular model based on this particular transmitter of moisture analyzer, and when we run, we found something a little bit weird, because one of the if you can see the red box over there, it state this particular tag of one of our wells, which is a gas wells. So we were wondering what is the problem of the particular wells when it is stated in our model, because the moisture analyzer and the wells is too far distance. So the decision that I've made at that particular time to my team, I don't know what this model tells me, and it seems to be don't have any relations to it, but let me try and ask you guys to shut in this particular wells first, and we will investigate later. And what the offshore people did is just shutting in that particular well. They shut in that well, close that wells, and suddenly this moisture comes down rapidly from 243 ppm to 144 ppm in just minutes. So that is quite amazing. If you see in terms of technicality, you couldn't get this particular decisions to be made as fast as that.